Nothing makes your day worse than finding out that your fob does not work and you left your cell phone inside the car. So you can't call for help and you're too far away to walk to somebody's house or to go to a service station. Don't worry, because you literally hold the keys to your solution in your hands. Now there's nothing wrong with this fob, but I'm taking the battery out just to show you that if you have a dead battery, you can get into your car and you can start it. Simply go to the side of your fob where it says push. If you push on that and pull, you have a key. That'll get you into the car. Simply insert the key into the lock and turn clockwise. Release, pull the handle. Now we could use our cell phone and call for help, but with the fob, you can just turn on the car. Simply place your fob up against the power switch, push down on the brake. You'll get a message on the display telling you what to do. It says, depress brake pedal and push start switch. So now we come and we push. And the vehicle is on. And there are no batteries in this fob. Now you can drive home or to a store to replace the battery. How do you replace the battery once you buy a replacement? It's simple. Go back to that button that says push on the side, squeeze it, remove the key. Where you took out the key, there's a little slot. Insert the key in that slot. Then twist. And that'll split open the fob. And the battery is going to go on the flip side of this card. Just take it out. Get a replacement battery. You need a CR1632. Insert. Put this back onto your fob. You see those buttons? They match these buttons. So that's how you know how to put it together. Then it just snaps into place. Don't forget to reinsert your key. And now you're ready. See the light there? Tells you that it's working. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Please subscribe. And as always, thank you ever so much for watching.